Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at this Breville espresso maker. This is the Breville Barista Express. I'll unbox it, show you what the unit looks like, what accessories come with it, and I'll whip myself up a latte as well. Now, of course, if you are interested in this espresso maker, I'll have it linked below in the description so you can pick one up for yourself or find more information. So having a quick look at the box here, it's got automatic hands-free dosing and adjustable grind amounts, a thermocoil precision heating system, and you can do handcrafted microfoam milk. On the back, we've got the precision conical burrs for grinding. And again, we have the automatic grind and dose, the thermocoil precision heating system, a whole bunch of accessories. We'll go through those in a moment when we open it up. The beautiful stainless steel design, and then 18 to 22 gram dose sizes for a rich, full flavor, 9 bar pressure, the temperature, 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 93 degrees Celsius. And for the steam, it does 266 degrees Fahrenheit or 130 Celsius. So let's go ahead and open up the box. And the first thing we're going to find is all the paperwork. We've got the quick start guide to get us up and running. And the main instruction book with all the information we would need on the unit. We've got our portafilter. So this houses the filter baskets and where the grinds go. Seems really heavy duty and solid. Nice look to it. And then we've got our 54 millimeter tamper here for tamping down the coffee grinds. And then we've got our 54 millimeter filter baskets. There's 3 of those in the box here. On the left here, we've got the single wall filters to use with fresh ground coffee. And then to the right, the dual wall filters to use with pre-ground coffee. And right here it says, I'm not missing. So that's for the double shot single wall, and that's right here in the portafilter. So it does come with 4 of those baskets. We've got the razor, a 54 millimeter precision machine scraper for scraping off all the extra coffee grinds. That's really nice. And then we've got our cleaning kit, which has cleaning tablets, a cleaning disc, and an Allen key, as well as a coffee scoop for pre-ground coffee, a cleaning tool, and a cleaning brush. And we'll pull out the espresso maker. Some more accessories. So we've got a stainless steel milk jug here, which is 480 milliliters or 16 ounces in size. Nice stainless steel unit with a handle. And then hiding inside, we've got some Breville descaler. We've also got our storage tray. This is handy for putting all of our filter baskets in. And we can hide those right down here at the bottom. We've also got our drip tray, which comes apart for easy cleaning. And that slides in here at the bottom as well. And then we've got the bean hopper. It says it's a half-pound bean hopper with locking system. So the lid comes off. Put it in place here, and then you can lock it right in place. Put the lid back on. And these grooves here at the top, it says it's a cup warming tray. So you can warm up your cups a little bit there. On the back, we've got our water tank. On the side here, it shows from 250 milliliters to 2,000 milliliters or 67 ounces. And the water tank is removable. Looks like there's some more accessories in here as well. We'll pull that out. And that's a 54 millimeter dosing funnel that fits onto your portafilter. So it helps keep the grinds going right into the portafilter. Make sure to take that off before you brew. Fits on there pretty good. And then we've got the filter. So this goes into the water reservoir tank. Put the tank back on. And on the side here, we've also got a little dial. You can rotate that. So this will determine the grind size. So you can go to the right for coarse or to the left for fine. On the front here, we've got all the buttons. So we've got the power button as well as the grind amount. So you can adjust it for less or more. You've got the filter size here for single or double. You've also got the pressure gauge. So you know if you're in the espresso range, the program button. So clean, descale, hot water, steam, and single or double espresso. On the side, we can select steam, which comes out of the steam wand down below there, standby, or hot water, which comes out right next to the steam wand down below. Nice heavy duty plug, as well as we can see the water levels on this side as well. We've got our tamper here, which goes right in on the side. And then we can grind our beans here. So if you push that in once, it'll be on automatic mode, or if you hold it in, it'll go to manual mode. And then we can put that in the group head here. And then right next to that, we've got the 360 degree swivel action steam wand with the rubberized grip so you don't burn yourself. And right next to that, you can see the dedicated hot water outlet as well. So nice little unit. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get this up and running and make myself a latte. I've installed the filter and filled up the water reservoir. Put that in place. Pour in the beans. Put the lid on. Let it heat up and grind some beans. Use the tamper to tamp the coffee grinds down. And we'll scrape off the extra with the razor. Lock it into the group head and push the espresso button. We'll pour those into my cup and get the steam wand going to froth and heat up my milk. I'll pour the steamed milk over my espresso here. This is my first time using this machine, so don't judge me too much on how my latte looks, but so far so good. I don't think I can do any latte art for you today, but I'll try and work on that for the future. But this looks fantastic. I'm excited to drink this. Put a little sugar on top. And not too shabby for my first latte on this machine. Looks pretty good. So again, this is the Breville Barista Express, and this unit feels quite well built, like it should hold up for a long time, and really it wasn't that difficult to make my first latte, and I'm really excited to learn how to make all sorts of coffee beverages.